Hello and welcome to Smile Boutique New York. Today, we'll guide you through the process of creating a perfect self-impression of your teeth. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. You'll find our instruction card and a return shipping label. Simply follow the link on the card to access detailed instructions on our website. Additionally, if you place an order for a flexible denture, flexi flipper, or Essex, your kit will include a shade guide and a bite sheet to further assist you in achieving the perfect self-impression. If you've ordered any upper or lower products, we'll still recommend taking both impressions. You'll have 2 sizes of trays for the upper and lower as well. Also, you will find our impression material in pods numbered 1 and 2. Step 1. Please brush your teeth with a toothbrush and paste or rinse with mouthwash so there is no food residue. Wash your hands as well. Step 2. You will receive complimentary lip balm. Please be sure to use it, or you can use Vaseline before you take the impression, so you will avoid any lip dryness or cracks. Step 3. Test the trays. Test both tray sizes in your mouth before proceeding with the impression. Ensure that you use the largest tray that comfortably fits in your mouth. To facilitate the fitting of larger trays, gently pull your cheek to the side with a hooked finger. Step 4. Mix the impression material. Remove 1 full material from pod number 1 and 1 full material from pod number 2. Set a timer on your smartphone or wristwatch for 30 seconds. Immediately begin mixing both materials together vigorously until the both of them become a solid color. Step 5. Shape and place the material. Immediately after mixing the material, roll it into a ball and then make it into a log shape. Place the arch-shaped putty inside the tray with more in the front and less putty tapered off towards the back. Step 6. Upper impression. Insert the tray with putty into your mouth and center the tray underneath your upper teeth. Position your thumbs underneath the tray. Once the tray is in a resting position, press it straight up, even push, ensuring it goes as deeply and evenly as possible. Allow the putty to completely cover your teeth, extending beyond your gum line. Upon completing the impression, set a timer for 5 minutes. Step 7. Check and remove upper impression. Slowly pull downward on the upper tray until it pops off your teeth. Now, take a moment to inspect your impression. When taking your lower impression, follow steps 3 through 5, similar to the upper impression process. Insert the tray with putty into your mouth and ensure the tray is centered above your lower teeth. Once the tray is in the resting position, press it straight down with a single, even push, ensuring it goes as deeply and evenly as possible. Allow the putty to completely cover your teeth, extending beyond your gum line. Once the putty is fully hardened, grip the top and bottom of the tray between your thumbs and fingers. Gradually pull upward on the tray, expecting some resistance until it pops off your teeth. Capture a couple of photos at a 45-degree angle and send them to photos@smileboutiqueme.com with your name and order number for approval. After receiving approval for your impressions, place them in the provided return box. Additionally, if you ordered a flexible denture, place the included pink bite sheet in your mouth and bite down on it. Then, choose the color from the shade guide that best matches your desired shade. Circle it and send everything back to Smile Boutique New York. Thank you for choosing Smile Boutique New York. We look forward to helping you achieve the perfect smile.